Guys, I'm just going to take you through the Superman exercise in Pilates. And also take you through the 3 general mistakes that people make. So when in Superman, you get onto all fours. So you've got to make sure that your wrists are underneath your shoulders. Spread your fingers out, your index finger facing forwards, and then your elbow bones facing outwards, and knees directly under your hips. And then your feet, which people often do, is they put their toes together. So you need to place your feet as wide as well as your knees. So you basically got to line your hand, your knee, your right hand, right knee, and right toes should be in line with each other. Same on the left. Left hand, left knee, left toes. Hopefully I am correct. And then you need to push up. So imagine that there's a wall on top of you, and you need to push the back of your head into that wall behind you. Another way to think about it is there's something poking you in the chest and your sternum, and you're trying to push away from it so that you don't dip between your shoulders. You push up so your back is nice and strong. Then what you need to do is make sure that your back or your trunk stays in a rectangular shape. So when you lift one arm up next to your ear and one leg back behind you, you've just got to make sure that you're not hiking up in your right shoulder here and lengthening down in that left hip. So you want to try and keep the squareness in the hips and the squareness in the shoulders as much as possible, and placing it back down. So this is actually a much harder posture or exercise to do than it looks like or that you feel like it should be. So again, on the left side, just make sure you're not hiking that shoulder up. So you keep pulling it down, and that the right leg goes back behind you, and watching my elbow bones. I'm a culprit of my elbows want to face backwards, but try and pull them out to the side. It just helps with that shoulder blade placement. Good. And then also, when you're coming back into all fours, just make sure you line up again. So your hands are in line with your knees, in line with your toes. Please check out our free body check quiz. The link is in the description.